solved problems related to B exercise in De Moivre's theorem. Find all the values of root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4. First of all, let us take modulus amplitude form to this number. So what is modulus amplitude form? This can be seen in first chapter, which was over, that is in complex number. So modulus of amplitude form of root 3 plus I can be written like this, that is 2 into root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2. When you cancel 2, you get root 3 only, here also. So this root 3 by 2, this 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 6 and sin pi by 6. 2 kept the same. And here, in the previous video, I have told you how to write this. 2k pi plus pi by theta. That is in synopsis we have discussed. So here 2 comes, here it will become 2k pi plus pi by 6. Dear Sweros, please note this point. This is called amplitude form. Here also 2k pi plus pi by 6. Next, in the question it is asked to write power 1 by 4. So put it. Don't forget to put power for 2 also. It will become 2 power 1 by 4. And now LCM. It will become 12k plus 1 into pi. How? Let us check once. What happened here? See, if you put by 1, you get what? By 12. So, sorry, not by 12. LCM is 6. So, when you take LCM 6, you get 1 and 1 6s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So you get 12k pi plus pi. What is common in it? Pi. 12k plus 1 into pi by 6. Once again I am repeating. Here it is 6 2s are 12k pi plus pi. Pi is common. 12k plus 1 into pi by 6. That comes here. Why this 24 came? What is there in power? 1 by 4. By 4 means 4 and 6 are multiplied here. 4 6 are 24. Like that you have to understand. Otherwise you can't get the point. Take LCM and do, so that you get it. Here also. So 2 power 1 by 4, it will become cis 12k plus 1 by pi by 4, 24. And this is the form of the value of this root 3 plus I power 1 by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. What is asked in the question? Fourth roots of unity. 1 by 4 means fourth root. Fourth root means only 4 roots from 0. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3 are applied in it. You get 4 roots. That is, all the values of this given question is 2 power 1 by 4 cis pi by 24, 13 pi by 24, 25 pi by 24, 37 pi by 24. When you put 0 in it, you get 12 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. That's why 1 pi by 24. When you put 1 here in it, this one, it will become what? 12 ones are 12 plus 1, how much? 13 pi by 24. When you put 2, what happened? 12 to the 24 plus 1, how much? 25 pi by 24. When you put 3, what happened here? 13, 12 3s are 36 plus 1, 37 pi by 24. This is a question. Find the roots of the equation. X power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Given equation is this. Take common in first two terms. What? X power 7. When you take x power 7 common, you get x power 4 minus 1 here in it. Because 7 plus 4 is 11. And in this, nothing is there to take common. That's why put 1 and put a bracket and write like this. Coming step, the portion which is taken inside is common. Remaining part is kept in another bracket. So, for the clarity, you can write 1 here. That is x power 7 plus 1 will come in a bracket. Now, x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 or x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases. First case, this one. X power 4 is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 plus I0. 1 plus I into 0. What is I into 0? 0. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 can be written like this. So here 1 is cos 0, 0 is sin 0. Incoming step, it can be written as cos 2k pi plus 0. 2k pi plus 0 is 2k pi. Here also 2k pi. We want x only. That is power 4 is taken to other side. It will become 1 by 4. And in next step what happened? This by 4 comes forward here. By 4. So 2k pi by 4. Afterwards it will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is next step? This is k pi by 2. Where k is 0, 1, 2, 3. In the question it is 4th root. 4th root means only 4 values from 0. This is answer. Second case is what in the question? It is x power 7 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x power 7 is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 0 into I. Minus 1 is cos pi, 0 is sin pi. Again when you write it in this form, it will become 2k pi plus pi. 2k pi plus pi here also. Power 7 taken to other side will become 1 by 7. Next step, this by 7 comes forward. By 7 here. It will become 6 2k plus 1 into pi by 7 because pi is common. Here 7th root. 7th root means 7 roots. They are from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So change k value so that you get all 7 roots to this. Okay. So we want all the values now. Here 4, here 7, total 11. How to write them? See, from this we are taking these. That is, put k is equal to 0 in it. When you put k is 0, you get cis 0. So this is cis 0 which is equal to 1. And how this came? Cis pi by 2. Again go back to this step. Here put 1. get 1 into pi is pi by 2. So cis pi by 2. That is I. And how this cis pi came? Put 2 in it. 2 pi by 2. How much? Pi. Cis pi. Cis 3 pi by 2. From this only. Put 3 in it. So that you get cis 3 pi by 2. These all are the values of these. Okay. Cis 0 means cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 is 1. I sin 0 is 0. That is 1. So this one was taken like that here. When you come to cis pi by 2, what to do? Pi by 2 is written here in this. Then what happened? Let us see. Cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. I sin pi by 2 is 1. So 0 plus I into 1 is I. Like that you get this number I here in it. Coming to next one, I am going to put pi. That is cos pi I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. That is minus 1 plus 0, which is minus 1, taken here. Now 3 pi by 2 is kept here. 3 pi by 2. So when you put 3 pi by 2 here, it will become 0. Which one? This will become 0. Cos any pi by 2 is always 0. It will become minus 1. So 0 plus I into minus 1, which is equal to minus I. You can see that here. So dear Sweros, you should learn clearly, otherwise you get so many confusions. Next, come back to the next one, which is this one. These came from here itself. Put 0. 2 into 0, how much? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Cis pi by 7. When you put 1 in it, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 pi by 7. Put 3 in it. 2 into 3. 2 3 are 6 plus 1. 7 pi by 7. 7 pi by 7 is how much? Cis 7 pi by 7. Cancel. You get cis pi. You can see cis pi somewhere. Where is it? Cis pi is here in first group. Already it is there. No need to mention. That's why we are not mentioning cis pi here, because it is already there. Next, when you put 4 in it, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 7. When you put 5 in it, you get 11 pi by 7. When you put 6 in it, you get 13 pi by 7. Like that. These all are the values of x here. These are assembled like this. 1 minus 1 plus or minus 1. I minus I plus or minus I. 6 pi by 7 and remaining all are taken here. These are the roots of the equation. So this is the equation which is having degree 11. 11 roots are there. They are these. Next, third question. If 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity, prove that there are 3 bits. This is the first bit. It is to be proved. LHS part is equal to. Here I have written this like this. Very interesting. This formula is used. In this formula, 1 plus omega square was taken. See, 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is written as minus omega here. This is another minus omega given in the question. So 1 plus omega square will become minus omega and minus omega. It will become minus 2 omega. Minus even number of times will become plus 2 power 6. It is omega power 6. Okay. And coming to this step, here it is. Here what did I do? I have taken 1 plus omega this time. See, when you take 1 plus omega only here, plus omega square will become minus omega square. In this step, in the second part, 1 plus omega is replaced by minus omega square. This minus omega square already is there. Okay, there are 2 with same symbol minus 2 omega square. Minus power 6 means you get plus. Okay, and here also 2 power 6, here also 2 power 6 common in it. So omega power 6, omega power 12. Don't forget to put plus symbol. 2 power 6. Now one more formula is going to be applied, that is omega cube is equal to 1. How is it applied? See, omega power 6 can be written as omega cube whole square. 3 to the 6. Omega cube is how much? 1. 1 square 1. This omega power 12 also can be written as omega cube whole power 4. 3 4s are 12. This is 1 power 4, which is 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. There is 2 power 6 already taken. This is 1 more 2. Total 7. So 2 power 7 is 128. This is the proof. And one more proof is this. So this is taken now. And apply 1 plus omega square replaced by minus omega. You get it. In the same way, minus omega square is taken here. You get it. And next step, minus 7 times you get a minus. So common in both the terms. That's why we have taken common. Inside what remains? Omega power 7, omega power 14 with plus symbol. Here it will become minus 128. How many 3's are there in it? 2. Because 3 to the 6 and 1 omega left over, that is written here. Don't confuse. Omega power 7 is written as omega power 6 into omega. Then you get total 7. This omega power 6 is written like this, into omega is kept. The same style here also, it is omega power 12 into omega square. Total 14. And omega power 12 written like this, omega square is kept aside. This will become 1. Omega plus omega square remained. What is omega plus omega square here? See the formula. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. How? This plus 1 will be gone. It will become minus 1. That minus 1 is kept here. Minus into minus will become plus. This is the proof. Now coming to second proof. This is second bit and third bit also is there. Now let us see second bit. So this is a question to prove this. So a plus b. There are 2 terms here, here also 2. Total 4 will come. A omega square, a square omega cube. A omega b omega, a b omega square. B omega square, a omega square, a b omega power 4. B omega square, b omega b cube, b square omega cube. This is same every time. Here changes are seen. They are what? Omega cube is 1. So this is a square into 1, which is a square. This is same. Here it is. Omega power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Because you can write it like this, no? So here it is 1, only b square. Next step, here this will become 1, a square, ab omega square, b square, it is ab omega. Next step, ab common in these, it will become like this, omega plus omega square inside. Next step, this is same. Already I have told you what is omega square plus omega, minus 1. You can see that here omega plus omega square is minus 1, that is taken here. It will become minus ab plus b square. So this is in which form? 9th class. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. This is our RHS. Next, third bit. This is equal to 0, we have to prove, where this is given. First given part is taken. Minus 2, when you take this side will become plus 2. It is remain. Here take whole square. This side also. A minus b whole square formula applied. Omega square. 2 into omega square means 2 omega cube. It will become omega power 4. This is also x square, 2 into x, that is 4x, 2 square is 4. Here omega square, what is this? Omega cube into omega. Omega power 4 is omega cube into omega, which is omega. You can write this like this. It is 1 omega. This omega is written here. This is omega square. This is 1, no, minus 2. Next step, what is proved to be proved in question? Plus 7, but here only plus 4. We have to take 3 both the sides, plus 3. Then what happens? See, plus 3 when you take it will become 7. So the required LHS. Here after taking plus 3, minus 2 is there. Minus 2 plus 3 is how much? 1. So what is the value of this? Which is 0. This is proved.